What's your name? Elsa. Yes. And how old are you? 4? Ooh, 4. And how are you today? How are you today? Fine. Yes. Good. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine also. And tell me please, what do you say when you wake up in the morning? What do you say? Hello. Yes, you can say hello. And also you can say good morning. Yes? Good morning. Good. And when do you say when sun is very high? Yes? In the afternoon? Good. Good afternoon. Yes? Good afternoon. And when you go to sleep? When you go to sleep? What do you say? Good night. Yes, good. Good night. And tell me please, what number is this? 2. 8. Good. 1. Great. 10. 4. Excellent. And what color is this? Blue. And this is? Red. Yellow. Pink. Yes, great. You are great. And what color is the cat? What color? Black? Yes, it's black. And what color is the dog? White. Good. It's white. And what color is the book? Orange. Yes, orange. And what letter is this? A. Mhm. Yes. Yes. That's good. Great. Very good. And what letter is this? Small a. Yes, small a. And what is this? Apple. And yes, good. And what letter is this? Small b. Great. And what is this? Bird. Book. Bat. Good. And what letter is this? Small c. Yes. And what is this? And this? Cake. Yes. Car. Great. Yes. And what letter is this? Small d. Yes. Small d. And what is this? Dog. Duck. Yes. Great. And what is this? Egg. Yes. Egg. And this is? Eagle. Great. And what letter is this? Small f. Yes. Yeah, small f. Yes. And what is this? Fish. And this? Food. Great. Now please touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Yes. And touch your nose. Great. And touch your shoulders. Shoulders. And touch your knees. Knees. Yes, good. How many knees do you have? 2 knees. Yes, great. And how many arms do you have? 2 arms. Very good. Good job. And how many fingers do you see? How many fingers? Yes, great. That's great. And what shape is this? Diamond. Yes, good. And where is the oval? Oval. This? Oval. Yes. And this is? What is it? Star. Yes, it's a star. And what is this? Square. And this? Yes, great. And what color is the rectangle? Blue. It's blue. Great. And what serve